Hey guys, welcome back. So I made this wreath last night. I think it came out really cute. It's very fluffy, very soft. I think it came out really cute. I'm gonna take my phone off my little holder and I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the wall. So hold on. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the wall. It's very, very soft, very springy, and so easy to make. So let me take this back to my holder and let's get to do it. Okay, so for this project, you're gonna need your reform. This one is 14 inches, but you can get it whatever size you want. You're gonna need these dusters from Dollar Tree. And you get two of them. The stick is included, but you get two of the fluffy ones. And you need about 3, but I always buy extra. So I'm going to say buy 4 because you want it to be nice and full and fluffy. So 4 boxes. So if you think about it, this is a $5 project. Okay. So I'm going to show you what to do. Let me just pull this up and see. Okay. All right. So what you want to do when you take these out of the box, this is what it looks like. And you just want to look and find the inside, the middle, you see? And then just kind of take it apart. So I'm taking it apart. And sometimes it gets a little stuck. You can use your scissors. Sometimes it's easier, actually. I don't know why this one is so hard. Okay, here we go. I swear everything else came off pretty fast and easy. I'm doing a video and this one gets stuck. Okay. Just cut it in half. You don't need scissors because you see it really comes apart. Okay, so you just want like that. This one's really stuck with glue. Okay, there we go. Okay. Trust me, it's not that hard. I don't know why this one is like stuck. There. Okay. There. Okay, so once it's like that, and I did a few already. Actually, I didn't. I thought I did. Oh, here it is. You see? So I already did a few just to save on time. So you basically, doesn't it look, that's kind of funny. Okay, so what you want to do is you take your wreath and you're basically covering it all around. That's what we're doing. I thought I had that one open. See? Guys, this is like the easiest thing ever. So what I do is I flip it this way, so the back way, and then I hot glue this edge and turn it. So I do right here, glue in the first one, and then take your duster and kind of just wrap that first one. And then we're going to glue this piece. Okay. And wrap that one. And guys, that's it. You keep doing that all around and you have your wreath. So I'm going to do another one. You know, let me just do this one. Do it right here. Same thing. Glue on the top, glue on the bottom. Okay. And of course, I run out of glue. You take that piece and you're covering the first wire. I'm going to get more hot glue and I'm going to cover this one and I'll be back. Okay, so I wanted to show you something. This one, when I cut, I cut it too much, so it split in half. That's okay, because this thing right there, just glue the middle piece and add your duster. So don't worry if your duster breaks in half. And that's why I always like getting an extra box, because then I can always add more to it if I need it. But you see, this one too, you see how it kind of broke in half? No worries. hot glue that piece. And it covers it. See? So I'm almost halfway. So I'm gonna keep going and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay guys, so I finished. Again, that's all you do is all around just covering your base. And this is why I say you should definitely buy 4 boxes, because wherever there's a little empty spot, you can cut this one in half and just glue it right on top. You see, like if I wanted to, I'd put some there. But once it's all like that, you can add your flowers. And you see, you add your flowers and it's just so fluffy. It's so cute, so easy. So all you need is 4 boxes and a wreath. And then just add your flowers or whatever you want. So I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.